Ok, aquí estamos en la casa, estamos viendo Luis Vargas, The Bachata Story. Pretty good. Go get it. Go get it. All right, here we are, back with cooking with Chef Anibal. So,
hey, how you doing? We're back in the kitchen now. As you can see, I'm putting in the bay leaves, and I'm sautéing the vegetables in here, and about to start adding everything else in there. This is the combination of garlic, celery, onions, and peppers with some bay leaves. And now we're going to go ahead and put our crushed peppers in there. Crushed tomatoes, rather.
I see that you have it on low heat.
Yes, it stays on very low.
Very low.
We add 2 cups of our chicken broth. Mix all this up.
Looks good.
Mix all this up and you just let it sit.
You guys could smell it. Oh, it smells so good.
Cover it now and you let it sit for about 40 minutes. And once it's finished and done, then we add our shrimp. That's the last step of it. Now we're going to get ready to marinate our fish and everything and get it ready and go outside and hook it up on the grill. We'll be back shortly.
Yeah. Chef Anibal.
Thank you.